morning, guys. It's another very cold day on the mountain. Once again, cold for me. It's like 41 degrees this morning, so it feels like 35 with some pretty strong wind chills. And we are about to start cutting up some siding and trying to put it on the building. I believe we're gonna be working on these two walls here, trying to make them look just as pretty as this one. But we're about to record the Come On Keeping It Real and then go get started.
Come on!
Yo, yo!
Sweet. Check in soon. Alright, we're getting a little fire started because it's chilly today. Slowly but surely.
It'll catch in 1 second. It's got, yeah, like you said, that diesel's not like gas. It'll
Yeah.
just ignite.
And it's drizzling out here, so everything's a little bit wet. Not as dry as we'd like it. Got a few more bigger things here.
There we go.
We're starting to get some movement, and then we'll add some bigger logs and some scrap wood.
That might not be the best time to start a fire.
We're gonna grab some slightly bigger things, just start tossing on top of there once that fire gets going.
Look, I got another one. Look, 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 guys, I got another one. Get it, buddy. Get it, ready? Go get it. Get it. Go get it.
Alright, man. Figured we'd do a little check-in real quick. We are heading out today from Come On Mountain.
Come on.
Sad, but it's been a great time thus far. Here comes the man himself. If you'd like to pop in
The
and
man himself.
give himself a little introduction.
What's going on, guys?
Happy to see him. Like I said, it's been an absolute blast. I mean, that live was
Wild.
That
fantastic.
live was amazing.
If you haven't seen it, go check it out.
Please do.
2 hour
2
live.
hours.
Unreal.
And
They was begging us to stay.
I know, for real.
I had a little bit of adult beverages happening.
A little
It was
bit.
a good time. It
Little
was a
bit.
good time.
Let's just say we slept well.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. No, it was fantastic, guys. And thank you all for the support. That was unreal. You guys showed up and showed out. Every aspect of it is much appreciated.
Absolutely.
The monetization coming soon. It's going to change the game here for the videos.
But we're going to
So
look at the
forward to
goats
it.
for a minute.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go check the goats out.
Hey, guys.
You got lunch.
I know.
What do you think about the goats?
They're cool.
Super cute.
They're super cool.
is none of that. But what it is George's first son is the daddy to all the babies.
Wow.
Chief. And this guy right here, being that they all got here in the middle of an ice storm, is named Icy.
Nice. Hey, oh, Mama found it.
Get out the way. Dude, you stuck his head through this.
We're gonna show y'all a little secret view for the people that don't follow my channel. We're gonna go ahead and put it on my son's channel right here. But this right here is a mountain view that some don't know that's on C'mon Mountain. I'm actually in the middle of clearing all of this out right now. I've gotten all of the undergrowth out, as you can see. That's the big piles that you're gonna see stacked up everywhere here. But here next, we're going to clear out a lot of these big trees, because this is where I'm actually gonna have cattle in this area, and also the power line area right here. And it'll also clear out beautiful views for the cabin there with a nice mountain view. Check this out.
That is a beautiful view. My goodness. Yeah, it's gonna turn out fantastic whenever you get all the rest of it cleared out to the cabin.
Yeah, absolutely. And like I said, this is going to be the pasture area out there where you just seen the power line area. I own that as well to the other side. And I should have about 8 to 10 acres to have a couple of cows on. I think they say you need 3 acres per cow. So I should, all I really want is like 2 cows at a time, just to be able to process and to kind of feed me.
What you think, Uncle?
Pretty awesome.
Heck yeah. So much progress. That's crazy.
How you doing, man?
How are you doing, dude?
Good, brother.
Oh,
Looks pretty awesome.
man? Pleasure seeing you. Happy to be back.
oh heck yes.
This progress is insane, dude. It's crazy. I remember burning holes in the ceiling last time I was here. This is a lot better. Hi, baby. Hi. What's up? What's up?
This is 100,000. The gold is at 1 million, so that's coming, but it might be a little while.
It's awesome though.
Yeah.
There's definitely one in the sights for
Hey.
a few people here.
One is coming for you. One is coming for him. One is coming for Country Road Cure. Come
100%.
Yeah, absolutely.
And this guy maybe one day if he comes back around.
Yeah, if you have to stop going and hiding and come back.
I know.
Potentially.
I know.
No,
Hey.
super sweet.
Get yourself familiar with it. Your one's on the way.
Oh yeah, without a doubt.
Oh, you gotta look
And this place
fun.
turned out amazing.
Insane, bro.
Yeah,
And
absolutely killed it here.
Like, this is the basement. Like, this is
Yeah.
gonna be.
This isn't even the house.
Yeah. This is gonna be such a dope spot.
Trim pieces to do, like up here, you know. That's why you see these screws are gonna be trimmed.
Yeah.
For
We're
sure.
gonna cover like that little, see like that little one's like off, but you won't see it once it trims up.
Dude, it's sick.
Turned out beautifully.
That's what was the goal, to get it like that, you know. And it's amazing because it's just a shed.
Yeah,
In
no,
all
yeah.
reality,
It ain't
right?
a shed no more.
You know what I mean though? Like,
That's what it started as.
Shed 2 house. I love it.
no, that's perfect.
Alright guys, and that was it. We are back in the truck, heading back to the cabin. Just said bye to my dad. He's gonna stay for the rest of the day for the birthday party going on today. But we gotta hit the road. We still have about a 6-hour road trip ahead of us. I know you're ready to be home too.
Oh yeah.
After a long day of travel. And then I guess keep you guys posted whenever I make it back to the house. And then my travels back home tomorrow. Hopefully I can get some decent footage and have some time at the airport, not sprinting to my gate like last time. We'll catch up with you guys whenever we are either on another stop or potentially back at the house. Peace. Alright, it's been another pretty hectic morning rushing onto the plane, but we made it. Love the trip, and let's go home.